So my Jeep has been experiencing loss of power. I can only go a certain miles per hour while on the highway as well as in the city. At the most I get on the highway is about 55. You know what I'm saying? 55 from Lake Charles to Lafayette is like too long of a drive. It's terrible. Well, anyways, long story short, is due to broken wires on my camshaft sensor. This is the camshaft sensor right here. This wire right here was broken off. Well, I looked around town to see if anybody had some in stock. I was just gonna replace the whole sensor, but nobody had any AutoZone. They had it for $75, but they would have to order it. Well, long story short, I'm about to see if I can fix this myself, you know what I'm saying? So for this install, it's not really an install, but for this fix, I'm gonna need some extra wires that I'm gonna take off of this wiring harness, this old wiring harness. These are, I forget what you call these, shrink tubes, heat shrink tubes. That's for wiring. Once I get them all spliced together, put the heat shrink tube on it and go from there. Lighter, soldering kit, the best thing, and some wire clippers. So let's get to it. All right, so I got 4 wires to solder onto my harness, and I didn't have to solder new wires on these 3, but I figure I might as well make the wires longer, seeing how it's a tough spot to get into in a Jeep. Like, it's a real tight spot. I got some big ass hands. You know what I'm saying? So might as well make these wires longer to give me some extra room to play with, I guess you could say. All right, got all wires soldered. Now it's time to put back in the Jeep. Alright, camshaft sensor wires, I got them all soldered up. I'm nowhere near professional at this. I just know what's going on, you know what I'm saying? It's real easy. But this is where I cut the sensor from. You see it's a pretty tight squeeze in there. It's gonna probably take me a little minute with these big hands to get everything wired back correctly and back in place. But I'm about to make do with what I got, you heard me? I probably should take this big ass fucking battery out, you know what I'm saying? But I don't feel like doing all that. But honestly and truly, I just might have to. But time to get to work, you hear me? Man, all right. So after a good 30-45 minutes, I finally got everything connected, got the sensor back put in place. I had to remove this to get some type of movement in there. So now I need to reconnect my battery and see if all this hard work paid off. All right, so apparently I got to change my my actual sensor as well. I already took it out. I had to run an AutoZone, so I took it out. Shit. Here's the new one. By y'all. So I already took off my my light bar that's on top of my hood. The good thing about these Jeeps is the hood can actually go all the way back, you know, so I can get in those tight spaces. So boom. All right. Now I just gotta climb my big ass up here. Kind of hard to see up in there, but I got it done. You know what I'm saying? And if my big ass can climb up there and do it, so can you.